Hello dear kids, now we are going to discuss your Science Olympiad workbook for grade 1. First chapter is living and non-living things. So let's start. In this chapter we are going to discuss characteristics of non-living things, natural and man-made things, and characteristics of living things. So let's see. Before going to start questions, let's understand what is living thing and what is non-living thing. So first we will discuss about living thing. Living thing means what is living? Living means which can breathe, which can move. That is living thing. Like plants and animals, both are living things. Plants can't move here and there, but they can breathe. So they are living. Animals can breathe, can move. They are living things. They grow and they reproduce their young ones. So they are living things. Living things have two types. One is animals and one is plants. In animals, examples are cat, frog, butterfly, dog, even human also are known as animals. For plants, like hibiscus plants, banyan tree, mango tree, rose plant, any tree, any plant are the living things. So, another thing is non-living thing. What is non-living thing? Non-living thing means which they can't breathe. Main thing is that they can't breathe, they can't reproduce, they can't grow. They remain same their whole life. So they are known as non-living things. Like non-living things have two types. One is natural thing and one is man-made thing. Natural things like water, rocks, wood, soil, they all are natural non-living things. And man-made things are like we made chair from wood, pen from plastic, eraser from rubber. They are non-living things and they are man-made things. So non-living things are two types, natural things and man-made things. What are the characters for living things and non-living things? Let's discuss. First one is breathing. They can breathe. Both plants and animals breathe. They are living things, and while breathing they use oxygen to inhale and they exhale carbon dioxide. Whether they are plant or whether they are animal, both use oxygen for respiration. They can't breathe, so they are non-living things. Second is move on their own. Animal can move from here and there. They can move from one place to another place, but plant can't move. But yes, they can move their body. Plant can move their body. They can move their leaves. They can move their branches. So, like touch me not plant. When we touch its leaf or touch this plant, their leaves drop when they are touched. It means they are moving. So plant move like this. Non-living things, they can't move. If we are forcing, if we are moving them, then only they can move, like a chair, like a pen, like a book, like a school bag, like any non-living thing, any man-made thing that is non-living, they can't move by themselves. So next is need food and water. The things which are living, they are growing, they are reproducing, they are moving, they are breathing. That's why they need food and water for getting energy. That's why living things need food and water. But non-living things, they are not doing anything. They are not doing any work. They are just non-living. So that they don't need energy. So that they don't need food and water. Next is feel. What is feel? When I touch you, you can feel that. When you touch fire, you feel hotness. When you touch a pin, you feel pain. So it means we can feel, animal can feel. But if I touch a pin to a chair, will it feel pain? No. It means they can't feel. Non-living things can't feel anything. Next is reproduce. Reproduce means reproduction. Reproduction means to make young ones like yourself. For example, if I am talking about a chicken, it means it resembles to their parents like hen. If I am talking about a human baby, it look like its parents. If I am talking about a cub, it look like lion and lioness. So reproduce means any living thing reproduce or make their young ones like them. That is called reproduction. And yes, living things do reproduction, but non-living things don't, because they can't reproduce, they can't do any task, so they can't reproduce their young ones. Can you feel that? Up your pen or pencil is making by their own self a new pen or pencil? No, it's not possible. A chair is making their young ones. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. It means no living thing can't reproduce. Next is grow. Grow means living things can grow. A baby can turn into an adult. A cub can turn into a lion. A chick can turn into a hen. So every young one grow. Living thing can grow and turn into their adults. But no living thing cannot grow. Can your pencil grow? No. Can your pen grow? No. They will remain same for their whole life as they are. So it means no living thing cannot grow, but living thing can. Here are some pictures of example of breathing. A cow is breathing. It is inhaling air and exhaling air. Moving, a deer is moving from here to there. A boy is a living thing, is having food and water. Chicken is reproduced by hen. And here is the life cycle of a frog. As you can see, very first frog gives eggs. Eggs turn into larva and larva turn into young one. Option B is there will always be living thing of their own kind. Yes, living things are always be living things their own kind. Like a human have a baby like their own. A lion and lioness have cub, but they resemble same. A dog have pup, exactly same. So living things of their own kinds. This is right statement. They will decrease in number? No. When they reproduce, they increase their number. Option is they will not have to fight for food. No, they will have to fight for food. When the number is increasing and food is getting less for each one, then they can fight for food. So right answer for reproduction is there will always be living thing of their own kind. Option B is right answer. Next question is select the correct statement out of the following. Option A is all living things are natural things. Yes, this is right. All living things are natural things. All man-made things are non-living things. Yes, this is correct. All the man-made things are non-living things. Man can't make living things. Option C is all natural things are living things. This is wrong, because there is water, that is natural thing, and there is a rock, natural thing, there is sand, natural thing, but they are not living things. It means this statement is wrong. So both A and B are right answer. Option D is correct answer. Next question is 3 friends Ashmi, Ruhi and Smart were asked to complete the given sentence. All dash things can dash. Who among them has made a correct attempt? Option A. Ashmi said, all natural things can reproduce. Is it possible? So, natural things are water also. They can reproduce? No. Rock also, can they reproduce? No. It means Ashmi is saying wrong statement. Second is Ruhi. What is Ruhi saying? All living things can feel. Yes, this is right. All living things can feel. I already told you in previous statement that living things can feel touch, fire, and any sensation. So this is right. Third, Smarth is saying all man-made breathe. No, I already told you. Man-made things are non-living things. So they can't breathe. So it means option B is right answer only. Question 4 is which of the following is man-made thing? Here's a pencil. Yes, it is made by man's. Option B is stones. No, it is natural thing. Logs. Yes, this is natural thing. And groundnuts. This is also natural thing. So here is pencil which is made by man. Next question is Niti wrote down 4 differences between non-living things and living things. Which of these is incorrect? So let's check. Non-living things and living thing differences. Here A cannot feel, can feel. This is right. Non-living things cannot make sound and living thing can make sound. Is it right or wrong? This is wrong. Cannot make sound. What does it? If you talk about a guitar, this is made by man's, but they can make sound. If I am talking about any metal utensils, they can make sound, but they are made by man's. It means no living thing can make sound. Cannot is wrong answer. It means option B is incorrect statement. Let's check another also. Option C is cannot feed and can feed on their own. Yes, living things can feed, but non-living things cannot feed because they are non-living, so that they don't need water and food for energy. Next is cannot breathe and can breathe. Yes, non-living thing cannot breathe and living thing can breathe. This is also correct. It means incorrect is option B. They cannot make sound or can make sound. Next question is study the given picture. It shows that. What it shows that? This is the picture of a plant's germination. This is first one is seed. From seed there is a germinating. Seed is germinating now. In third picture, roots are going under the ground and shoot part is growing up of the ground. And in fourth, roots are well developed under the ground and shoot is well developed above the ground. Shoot means green part and root means brown part under the ground. So let's check what it is. A, living thing can grow. Yes, this is right. Living thing can grow. It is showing this by this plant. Seed is germinating and grow into younger plant. A is right. Option B is living thing can reproduce. This statement is right, but this is not shown by this picture. This picture is only showing that a seed is germinating and growing into plants. This picture is only showing growth. Option C, living things can fail. No, this statement is right, but this picture is not showing this statement. This picture is showing only growth of a plant. Option A is right answer. Next question is Sia paired one living thing and one non-living thing together, but in doing so she made an incorrect pair. Select the incorrect pair. Sia paired one living and one non-living thing. So let's check. Bird are living thing and mountains are non-living thing. This is right. B, fish and clock. Clock is non-living thing. Fish is living thing. This is also right. C is rose plant and cycle. Cycle is non-living and rose plant is living. This is also right. Option D is river and book. River is non-living thing. Book is non-living thing. They both are non-living thing. It means this is incorrect pair. So right answer is option D. Next question is, name of few non-living things are given in the box below. Air, sunlight, food and water. They all are non-living things. Which of these things are needed by living things to stay alive? Living things, plants and animals use air for breathing, so they use it. Sunlight. Plant use sunlight to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. In this process, they use sunlight to make their own food. So Q is used by living things. Food. Yes, food is necessary for living things because they get energy from it. So this is also used by them. S is water. Water is the very necessary thing for a living thing. Without water, they can't live. Plant can grow or plant can make their food by the help of water. Living things also need water for getting minerals and many things. So all the ingredients P, Q, R, S are used by living thing. Option D is right answer. Next question is, select the option that can be placed in the same group where object X can be placed. Look at the object. This is sun. Sun is a natural thing but non-living thing. This is natural but non-living. In option A, car is non-living thing but this is not natural. This is man-made. Okay. Option B, this is giraffe. This is living thing. Option C is tree. This is living thing. And option D is coal. This is natural thing and this is non-living thing. So option D is getting matched with each other. Option D is right answer. Question 10 is, Ali was asked about importance of non-living things. He made 4 statements. Select the correct one. Option A, some of them are needed by living things to live. Some of them are needed by living things to live. This is right because living things use non-living things to live. As in previous question we discussed, air, water, food and sunlight they use. Option B is, living thing always need a man-made non-living thing to breathe. This is wrong. Non-living thing can't breathe. Option C, non-living things are always required by living things to move from one place to another. No, this is also wrong. Does water need any man-made or any living thing to move? No. So this is also wrong. Both A and B correct? No, B is wrong. A is only correct. It means option A is the correct answer. Next question is, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Tree, chair, frog and river, they all are things, non-living and living both. And what they do, this is the task. So let's check. Tree can feel, made by man, found in nature, reproduced by seed. What will match to that? That is reproduced by seed. Tree is the living thing which are reproduced by seed. B is chair. Chair is made by man. C is frog. Frog and fourth is river. Frog can feel. That is living thing. That's why. River found in nature. It means A is 4, B is 2, C is 1 and D is 3. Let's check where is A4, B2. Here A4, but B3 here and here is B2, C1, D3. It means option D is right answer. Next question is, Look at the given classification table. Select the option that correctly identify the headings X and Y. What are X and what are Y? Look at this. This is rose plant, duck, fish. They all are living things. This is notebook, rubber band and house. They all are non-living things. So let's check. X is living, and Y is non-living. So where is living and non-living? X is living and Y is non-living thing. This is correct. B, X is natural thing and B is man-made thing. This is also correct. C is things once alive and Y is things never alive. Things once alive, it is wrong. So both A and B are correct answer. Option D is correct answer. Next question is, Ravi encircled the odd number in the following 4 groups but made one mistake. Find the group in which he encircled the incorrect member. Option is tree, road, mountain, car. Road, mountain, car, they all are non-living but tree is living thing. It means this is correct. It is circled. Option B, elephant, pumpkin plant, wood and dog. They all are elephant living, pumpkin plant living, dog is living and wood is non-living. Here he need to circle wood but wrongly it is encircled dog. It means this is incorrect. Third one is air, water, soil, chair. Yes, it is right because air, water, soil, they are natural things but chair is man-made thing. In option D, soil, book, aeroplane, fan. Book, aeroplane, fan are man-made things and soil is natural thing. So this is also correct. So incorrect is option B because here they wrongly encircled living thing. Option B is correct answer. Next is Sushant set up an experiment as shown below. Here is an experiment. This is ventilated cover. In a glass box there is a rat. In one plate it has food and in one plate it has water. And here is a roof of ventilated cover. It means they have hole so air can pass through it inside outside. And this is same box but here roof is sealed. There is no space for coming air inside or go back outside. So he is trying to find out if the mouse need dash to survive. What is the thing which is mouse need to survive? देखो, mouse is a living thing. Living thing need food, need water for their energy. In both the box they have food and water. But one thing in one box they don't have, that is ventilated roof. By ventilation, air is coming inside and going outside so that mouse can breathe by the air. But in this box, mouse cannot find air after some time. So it cannot breathe. It means this box need air. What does it need? Air to survive. Option A is right answer. Next question is, which of the following statement does not show that a living thing can move on its own? Option A, rat is running away when being chased. So rat is living thing and he is running. It means this is moving by himself. Option B is a door closing when it is blown by wind. This is the thing which is not moving by itself. It is moving by wind. It means this is the statement which does not show that living thing can move. Option C is a tortoise going back into its shell when it is touched. So tortoise going back into its shell by the feeling of touch. So by fear it goes back into shell. So tortoise is moving by himself. So this statement does not show that a living thing can move by its own. Option D, none of these. So this is also wrong because the option B is the answer, which does not showing that living thing can move on its own. So option B is right answer. Next question is, look at the classification chart given below. This is things. Things are two types, living thing and non-living thing, as we discussed in the starting of this chapter. And non-living thing have two types, once alive and never alive. Which of the following option identify X, Y, Z? X are living things and Y is once alive and Z is never alive. So let's check. Orchid, steel ruler and plastics. Option B is plastic mug. This is not living thing. Paper cup, non-living thing, and wooden chair, non-living thing. But plastic mug does not identify X, so it is wrong. Option C is floor, dolphin and stone. Floor is a non-living thing, so it is not identify X. Option D is lizard, wooden chair and gold earrings. Lizard. Lizard is a living thing. Wooden chair is a non-living thing. And gold earrings. Once they never alive. Gold earrings is a metal earring. They never alive. So option D is correct answer. Next question is, each of the following observation tell us that living thing can do. Which of the following have been wrongly paired? What is the statement? Observation is saying that living thing can do. First, caterpillar turn into pupa and then turn into butterfly. It is the example of growth. They are growing from younger one to adult. Option C is a bee flies from one flower to another. This is movement. This is correct pair. Option 4 is a leaf withers and turns brown. Die. This is also correct. So it means option A and B, they are wrongly paired. 1 and 2 are wrongly paired. Where is 1 and 2? Option B is correct answer. They are wrongly paired. Next question is, Mukti described three things as follow. First is, things X can move only when pushed but can grow in size up to a certain limit when soaked into water. Option B is, thing Y has 4 legs but cannot move on its own or breathe. Option C is, thing Z can breathe but cannot move from one place to another. Select X, Y and Z. So, in option A, X is raisin, Y is dog and Z is frog. So X is raisin. Things X can move only when pushed but can grow in size up to certain limit when soaked in water. This is correct. When we soak resin in water, they grow in size because water is soaked by them. Option B is dog. So let's check. Thing Y has 4 legs. Yes, dog has 4 legs but cannot move on its own or breathe. This is wrong. Dog can move its own and they can also breathe. It means this is not a correct answer. Let's check for another B option. Football. Thing X can move only when pushed but can grow in size certain limit when soaked in water. Yes, football can move only when we push it, but this is wrong that it will grow when it is soaked in water. It means first one is wrong, so it means all the answer wrong. Option C is balloon, housefly and neem tree. Balloon, it can move by pushing, yes, and it can grow in size when soaking in water. No, this is wrong. When blew air in it, when we fill water in it, then only it can be grow in size. So option C is also wrong. Option D is gel bed, table and marigold plant. Gel beads, what are gel beads? They are small beads. When we soak them into water, they are grow in size because by soaking water, they increase their size. And yes, they can move only when we push them. It means this is right. Next is table. Y has 4 legs. Yes, table has 4 legs. But they cannot move on its own. Yes, They cannot move and they cannot breathe also. It means this is also correct. Z is can breathe but cannot move. Plants can breathe but they cannot move. And here it is marigold plant. It means this is also correct. So option D have correct X, Y and Z. So option D is right answer. Next question is 19 and 20. They are together. The diagram show 4 rats keep in 4 different containers. Here are 4 different containers. They were left untouched for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks they are untouched. Study the diagram and answer the question. In first, we have airtight container. It means air cannot go inside. In B, but it has biscuit and water. It means it has feeding. It has food. In option B, container with holes. It means air can go inside. And biscuit and water, yes, it also has food. Here container with holes, but there is only water but not food. It means it doesn't have food to get energy. In option D, container has holes. It has biscuit but no water. It means it can have biscuits but without water. Any living thing cannot live for many days. And there is 2 weeks they are untouched. It means this rat cannot survive. This rat cannot survive because they don't have food and it don't have water. In first option, there is airtight container. It means there is no air come inside so that this rat cannot breathe. It means this rat also cannot survive. In option B, rat 2 is having biscuits, water and air also. It means it can survive for many days or many years. So question 19 is which rat is likely to live for the longest time? This is rat 2. Rat 2 means option B is right answer. For 20, which rat is likely to live for the shortest time? Shortest time, look at here. Here is no air but here is water and biscuit and air also. By air and by water, it can live for many days because it already have stored food in his body. By the help of biscuit, it can live also for some hours or some days without water but not many days. But without air, it cannot breathe for hours also because without breathing it cannot be survived. So shortest time is rat 1 for survival. Option A is right answer. So kids, here we learn about living and non-living things in chapter 1 from your NSO Olympiad workbook. Repeat this video and learn all the questions and their options also. If you like this video, please like it, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. And don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.